Bonjour, comme ça va? Ça va bien? J'espère que tout va bien. Hello, how are you? You're fine? I hope you all are fine. So, dear students, let's start our class with chapter 1. Okay? Chapitre 1. Leçon 1. Qui s'appelle Belle Image. Belle Image. Le titre est, the title is Belle Image. Beautiful pictures. Okay? So, here we see there is a scene from a restaurant. Right? You can see there is a scene from restaurant. And there is text also. So I am going to read it for you. Okay? C'est un bon restaurant. C'est un bon restaurant. This is a nice restaurant. This is a good restaurant. This is a beautiful restaurant. Like that. Dans le restaurant, in the restaurant, there are des tables noires, the table which are black. Okay, c'est un bon restaurant. That's a nice restaurant. That's a good restaurant. In French, c'est is the same thing for this or that. Okay, this is or that is, it will be the same word. C'est. Okay. One bon good restaurant. Okay, c'est un bon restaurant. That's a good restaurant. Dans le restaurant, in the restaurant, il y a des tables noires. There are black tables. De belles couvertures. De belles couvertures. Beautiful covers. Blanche. Covers are white. Okay. The beautiful white covers. Avec une ambiance très calme. Avec une ambiance très calme. With very calm environment. Ambience is very calm. Okay. So how is the restaurant? This is a good restaurant. In the restaurant, there are black tables, beautiful white covers with beautiful calm ambience. Okay? We go next. The second picture. There you see two figures. One is boy and one is girl. Okay, we know le garçon is a boy. La fille is the girl. Okay. Ce sont des amis. They are friends. Okay, des amis. Ce sont des amis. These are friends. Le garçon est gros. The boy is fat. Et mignon. Mignon is cute. Okay. Le garçon est gros et mignon. The boy is fat and cute. La fille est mince et mignonne. You can see the difference. Mignon et mignonne. The masculine and feminine. I taught you in last class that wherever it ends with N, for making it feminine, we use one extra N and E. Okay, like the country's name, Italian and Italienne. Yeah, it is the same way. Mignon means cute. When it is used for boy, it's mignon, and when it's used for a girl, it is migno-ne. Okay? So, girl is mince, thin. Et mignon, cute. Okay? Les deux sont très amusantes et aimables. Both are very cheerful and lovable. Okay? They are lovely and cheerful. Is that clear to you? Amusant means joyful, happy, enjoying themselves. Okay? Aimable is lovable. Okay? So, boy is fat and cute, girl is thin and cute. But they both are joyful and lovable. Here we come in the third one. Third pic is from a library. Library is called in French bibliothèque. Bibliothèque. Okay? C'est une grande bibliothèque. This is a big library. Une grande means library is a feminine word. Okay? Dans la bibliothèque, in the library, il y a des livres épais et minces. There are books thick and thin. Okay? There are thick books, heavy books, which has lots many pages, and there are thin books, like with few pages. Okay? C'est une bibliothèque ancienne. This is a very old library, very ancient one. Okay? Is that clear to you? This is a big library. In the library, there are many books. Few of them are very thick and few of them are thin. This is very ancient library. Okay? C'est une bibliothèque très ancienne, very old. Now we come to fourth picture, and this is about a small book. C'est un petit livre bleu. This is a small blue book. Il y a des leçons courtes. There are small lessons in this book. Les leçons sont très intéressantes. The lessons are very interesting. Intéressant, intéressant, interesting. C'est un nouveau livre. This is a new book. Okay, the book which the girl is reading or boy. Okay, c'est un petit livre. This is a small book. Now you can see un petit means book is masculine word. Il y a des leçons courtes. There are short lessons in this book. Les leçons sont très intéressantes. The lessons are very interesting. C'est nouveau livre. This is a new book. So, students, this chapter is all about adjectives. You can see they are showing the qualities, the characteristics of things, places and people. You can make out all the words are in blue, showing us something important about the topic we are talking. Bonne, noir, belle, blanche, calme, mignon, grosse, mince, amusant, aimable, grand, épais, mince et ancienne, petit, bleu, court, intéressant, nouveau. These all words are adjectives. So in this chapter, we will learn about proper use of adjectives. Les adjectifs. Les adjectifs. How we pronounce in French? Les adjectifs. Okay? So this is the chapter reading. I hope you understood. If there is any doubt, tell me. Okay? Take care. Bye. Au revoir.